Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious Pani Puri water, or how to make Pani Puri ka pani. And it's very simple to make it at home, and let's get started. The ingredients to make this Pani Puri or Golguppe ka pani are cilantro, green chilies, raw mango, and some pudina or mint leaves. These four are the main ingredients that are going to make the pani really delicious. Then the dry spices are the pink Himalayan salt or the kala namak, hing, chaat masala, jeera powder, roasted jeera powder, salt, and some amchur powder or dry mango powder, and this is all 1 teaspoon each. I also have some boondi that's fried over here. Now this is the filling that I'm going to add in the puri or the golguppe. This is the boiled and mashed potatoes, the dried green peas that I've boiled, but sometimes I also use sprouts. So you can either use sprouts or dried green peas or boondi, whatever you want to use. This is a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and some red chili powder. That's about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. Now let's see how to make this delicious water. So the first thing that we want to do is add the pudina leaves, the mango pieces, green chilies. Now these green chilies are not very spicy, but you can adjust per your spice level. I'm just going to break these and then add. So in goes the cilantro, and now I'm adding the green chilies. This will make the water spicy but not extremely spicy. And I'm going to add some water as well. And I'm going to make a fine paste out of this whole thing. Okay, so now I'm going to strain this water that we just prepared. And I'm going to add some water in this. So first thing that we are going to add to this water that we just strained is the salt, the cumin powder, chaat masala, hing, kala namak or pink salt, amchur powder. And after adding all these, you just mix it well to remove all the lumps and make sure all the spices dissolve well in this water. So I've mixed all the spices in this water, and now I'm going to add the boondi to it. So our pani is now ready. Let's make the filling for this puris. So to make the filling, I take this boiled potatoes, and now I'm adding the boiled green peas. These are the dried green peas that I mentioned. Or you can also use sprouts. That tastes equally well. And then I'm going to add some salt, the red chili powder, and the cumin powder. You can also add chaat masala or any other masala if you wish to. I'm just trying to make this simple because our Pani Puri water has enough spices. So I'm not adding more spices to this except these three. So I mix all this together, and this mixture is now ready. Our Pani Puri is now ready. Let me show you how we can serve it. So here we have the water that we made, the pani, the imli ki chutney or the tamarind chutney, and the aloo and green peas. And these are the puris. So let me show you one. Make a hole in the center. Put some potato filling in this. Put some imli ki chutney. And then you add this Pani Puri water. And trust me, if you make the water the way I showed you, I'm sure you're going to love it. And do add your comments after you try it out, because I have made this a lot of times and my family and my friends, they just love it. So here's how it looks. And enjoy this with your family and friends. This is how it's going to look and taste super delicious. Our Golguppe or Pani Puri is now ready, and I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and do add your comments on my channel Payal's Recipe, and don't forget to subscribe if you liked my channel. And till next time, bye bye.